Hi guys, welcome to William's Clubhouse. Today I'm going to have 4 different kinds of chips. So let's get on to the video. The first kind I'm going to try is these because I don't want to like spicy, so I'm going to try these. It's so hard. Oh, they smell good. They're not too smelly. Yep. Oh, there's cameraman.
And these ones are sweet chili heat.
Oh, I just opened it, guys. I'm a weirdo. They look similar to the real one, but let's try. They're not that bad. They're really spicy. I don't really like them. I do like them, but I don't like spicy. Can you pass me the water? Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, I want to right here. Oh, good. These are really spicy, so I'm not going to eat them anymore. So I'm going to be having these ones. That next round was caramel. Let's try these. I'm really excited. This is called Doritios barbecue. I don't know why they call them Doritos because they look really spicy. I'm really scared, but here I'm just going to shut my eyes. That's what I do. Now I have really spicy stuff sometimes. Ew. 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 This is the most yuckiest. I hate both. The next one is I'm going to try is the normal Doritos. Actually, I'm going to do that at the end because I really love them. And I'm going to have these. But both days. Okay, I'm going to do Mini Money Mo. Kiss the Tiger by the toe. Mini Money Mo. The orange one. Ooh, I'm really excited. Stop being really luxurious. I'm gonna eat them all. Yeah, I'm eating them all. If I like anything on this video, I'll eat the whole thing. No. If I don't like something, I'll just have one bite, and that's it. Oh, I like them. Check my mom's video because it's really good. And if I get 10,000 likes, I'll do a family vlog. Same with my mom. They do family vlogs also. So please make 10,000 likes on this video. Today we just went to the Everyone station and there's all these 4 different chips and I was like, then I had to grab them all. And guess what? When we went to the face paint and I got my face paint, and when I got my face paint done, I what's it called again? I went to where the chips were and there's not that much left. And there's only these 4 last ones. I had to grab, and there's only these 3 different kinds there. Those are the only ones. So let's get back to eating because I really like them. And something really weird about me because, like, whenever I eat, I don't talk because it's really yummy. Okay, stop talking. Anyways. You like these two pumpkins my mom bought? They're really pretty. You know, my mom used them for both of our videos. Both. So, click the link. That one more in the corner. I don't know. I don't know what my mom wants. My big sister is really crazy. I really want to try those flavors, but I'm going to eat them all. There's only a couple more. Probably going to save those for when I'm doing this video. Probably. I think I need them all. Did anyone in my video see my unicorn horn? I have one other video. It has a unicorn horn, but it's not like this beautiful. What was that? Oh, no, just chips. I'm getting chips on me. Ah! There's only a couple more. This video might be long and funny because I'm gonna do an editor video and I need Halloween suckers after this. And I'm gonna do an editor video with my daddy and and do you know those really sour candies? Whatever they're called again. We're gonna do a video and we're gonna put all 10. We're gonna put 10 in our mouth to see who can put them in our mouth the longest. And you know I tried to do it. I tried to do it at a birthday party. I put two at home. I put one in my mouth. I couldn't put it in there very long, so I know I can't do it. There's no way. Let's get back to it. We're hungry. Press the link be down because tell me which ones you like the best. Even though if you didn't try them, tell me. We're just try them. We're get them for Halloween. I don't know. I'll spend it. Well, I'm almost done. So I think the entire island. I like them. These two clowns I hate. And I like these two kinds. So, I always like doing this because I don't like getting this onto different chips. It's really yucky. Trust me, guys. I wish I had wipes in my video. Oh, there's wipes right there. Never mind. Let's just use our fingers. That's faster. Slower. Oh, are you saying I'm doing a new upload? Because uploads are the best, guys. I get them out with my nails. Now let's try to blast the bag. Then we're going to the next video. These are the regular nachos. The regular nachos are my most favorite ones. I wish I could save them for me and my daddy's video because... Video? What did I say video? I mean sleepover. These taste the same as those. I got one of my not favorite ones. That's okay. That's spicy. I think Dad was this home right now, guys. Oh, so again. Look, not the same. I don't know if they look the same and the same color. They're similar, but I don't know. Very similar. Oh, they're the same colors. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, I just used this one. Those ones. Now I look at the white one. It's really funny. Am I on poking there? Oh, I got where's that? Remove that. There. I got a lot of pumpkins around me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and no, just 4. I got 4 pumpkins around me. I'm really hungry and starving. I'm really glad I'm doing that eating show with my mom. I think she did one today when it was at school right now. No school today anyways. So it's a weekend. God, my daddy's channel is really good because I see all of the man out there watch my father's channel because what's it called again? He does working videos.
Shows his tools.
He shows his tools. Sometimes he's at work and doing videos, and those videos are really cool because them show you really cool things. And kids out there watch the thing at work one and the other one and a scribe also. Sometimes I forget that. Well, not that very often. Let's get back to eating. When I'm done eating this chip, guys, my video's over, okay? Done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Thanks.